In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable fast answers in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have a quick, reliable way to speed up your conversations so you can get concise replies faster, perfect for brainstorming, quick lookups, or rapid back and forth chats. Here's what this setting does in plain terms. Fast Answers prioritizes speed, aiming to get you a useful response on screen sooner. It's great when you value momentum and want to keep ideas moving. If you ever need more depth, you can always follow up with a clarifying prompt, and ChatGPT will expand as needed. Let's turn it on. Open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile. This is usually your avatar, your initials, or a small account icon. Click that to open your account panel. This is where you'll find the options that control your personal experience. Next, select Personalization. This section focuses on how ChatGPT behaves for you, including preferences that can influence tone, brevity, and responsiveness. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see all the available controls. Inside Personalization, scan the menu for an option called Fast Answers. It should be listed alongside other settings that tune how responses feel. When you locate Fast Answers, look to the right of its label for a toggle switch. If it's off, the switch will usually appear gray or positioned to the left. Click the toggle once to turn it on. When it's on, it typically changes color or slides to the right, confirming the setting is active. That's it. Fast Answers is now enabled. A few helpful notes as you try it out. You may notice the first words of a reply appear sooner and shorter. More direct answers become the default. If you need a deeper explanation, just ask for more detail, examples, or step-by-step reasoning, and the response will expand accordingly. Keep in mind that overall speed can still be influenced by your internet connection and general server traffic, so improvements may vary a bit from moment to moment. If you don't see the personalization section or the fast answers option, interface labels can differ slightly by version, and availability may roll out gradually. Make sure your app or browser session is up to date, and give the page a quick refresh. Once it appears, the same toggle will control the feature. You're all set. Enjoy a snappier, more fluid chat experience with fast answers enabled, and remember, clear, specific prompts help you get the quickest, most accurate results.